Wagwan video about Jamaican woman. 4. She is full of culture and pride. She's so proud of her culture and her heritage, and learn to understand her culture and respect her culture, because that is very important to her. We love our culture. We celebrate with culture. We celebrate with music, with patois, everything about Jamaica. With sports team, with food, with this, everything about Jamaica and Jamaican culture are big things for we. Sometimes you might think that we too much, or we are do too much when it comes to it. Culture. Yeah, but I just always stay. We just love the culture and learn some Jamaican patois too. Yeah, so that when we talk to Uno in a patois, Uno can understand you. Uno can say, one and two, a few patois words at least. Some of my food, you can name some of the food. You can talk about some of, our favorite dish and thing. And know some of our Jamaican artists, reggae and dancehall artists. Know some of our athletes them in sports and thing. Yeah, okay. Yeah. And you have to visit Jamaica too. We want to know if you put on the foot on the side of Jamaica. We want to know if you experience the culture first, and we want to carry on around and show on the place and make you enjoy with nice culture we love so much, right? Yeah.